Now we're gonna make blueberry parfaits. So we're gonna start with 16 ounces of cream cheese that's already been softened. So you can see when I push on it, this is important because all of our ingredients are softened a little bit warmer than room temperature so that everything will mix together correctly. So now we're gonna add a stick of real butter. This is unsalted butter. And you can see that it's softened as well. Next, we're going to add a tablespoon of Lakanto maple syrup. And we're going to add a teaspoon of real. And finally, we're going to add about 25 drops of liquid stevia. You can add more or less to your desired level of sweetness. And all we're going to do is mix this right up. This is a good place to stop and check for the correct sweetness level. And I want mine to be just a little bit sweeter, so I added 20 more drops of stevia. And now you have a nice fluffy cheesecake dessert. Now we're gonna make blueberry parfaits. Half of a tablespoon of almond flour, half of a teaspoon of your sweetener of choice. And we're just gonna stir that right up. Some cheesecake, some blueberries. Moosh that down a bit so the blueberries kind of go into the cheesecake. This is an option if you want to have crust throughout it. So if you like to have a little bit of that crumbly crust in between the layers. Push the blueberries down into the filling.